Welcome to our guide on integrating Plaud AI into your workflow. Today, we'll explore how this powerful tool can transform the way you work. Plaud AI enhances productivity by automating repetitive tasks, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. First, let's identify the tasks within your workflow that can be automated with Plaud AI. Next, we'll walk you through setting up your Plaud AI account and configuring initial settings. Plaud AI integrates seamlessly with tools you already use, making the transition smoother. You can create and customize workflows tailored to your team's needs using Plaud AI's intuitive interface. Now, let's train your Plaud AI on your specific data and tasks to enhance its performance. It's essential to monitor your integration's performance to ensure optimal operation of Plaud AI. Consider these best practices to maximize efficiency and leverage the full potential of Plaud AI. Let's look at some real-life examples of how organizations have successfully integrated Plaud AI into their workflows. In conclusion, incorporating Plaud AI into your workflow can revolutionize the way you work. Let's take the next steps together.